This is my new gaming tablet from REDMAGIC. Let's unbox this together, guys. I just received it in the mail today and I'm super excited to get back on track because I've been out for like 2 months now, guys, and I ordered this REDMAGIC Astra gaming tablet. I want to unbox it with you guys. This will be my actual first time playing on a tablet, in which I'm super excited for. So let me go ahead and get my small knife, Jamaican knife, of course, and we're gonna peel the plastic off. Let's peel the plastic off. There we go. Can you guys see it? Oh my god. Well, put that right here. Oh, look. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Let's lift this lid off. There we go. It's almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Oh. 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 Woo! Oh my days. Oh my days. Let's put this right here. Let's put that right there. Oh my days, guys. We can put that right there. Let's put this right here. Alright, so let me take it out of the box. I think it's this way. Oh, let's lift it up this way. It feels so good. It feels so good. So good. It's 9 inches. So this is what we get in the box. You get a charging cable. You guys see the charging cable? Hopefully you guys can see it. And watch this. Oh my god. We got some stickers. We got some stickers from REDMAGIC. This is a nice touch. Ooh, these are fire. These are fire. This is such a nice touch, guys. What do you guys think? Let's put these there for now. And the manual. We don't really need a manual, guys. And that's it for the box. So just the charging cable. No charging brick. I already have a charging brick, so no biggie. So let's talk about the tablet itself. For this version of the tablet, I got the black version. The 12 GB of RAM with 256 storage. I actually wanted to get the 16 GB with 512, but I was on a budget. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh, bro, it's so clean. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Let me show you guys. Can you guys see that? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. And look at this. You guys can see the REDMAGIC there, Snapdragon 8 Elite. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you guys want to see me turn it on for the first time? Just give you guys a spec rundown of the REDMAGIC. So for this tablet, the screen itself, it's a 2K display, OLED display, so which is very good for those bright, punchy, dark, deep black colors as well, which is very nice for gaming and also watching content as well. And this, of course, you guys can see right there, this of course comes with the fastest chip there is right now on Android, which is a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. And the display itself support 165 Hz. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my! I there. I've always wanted to use a Red Magic device. I always wanted to use a Red Magic device. Always wanted to use a Red Magic device. And I cannot wait to take advantage of game that support the 165 Hz. Oh my god, my gameplay is about to be super smooth. So I want to thank you guys for watching the unboxing. This is just a short unboxing just to show. Thank you guys for your immense support. See you guys live. I would say just keep your notification on, because I will be scheduling a live stream when the next I will be scheduling a live stream for the next time I will be going live, but I will be uploading on the daily, and I'm ready for the grind. And I'm coming back to another game for the grind. If you guys know what game that is, comment below in the comment section. And I'm super excited to be on Team Red Magic. I've always wanted a Red Magic, and I've also got it my favorite color as well, so that is super nice. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.